Hey everybody out there in YouTube land looking for some help. I have a Rheem pool heater and it is making some strange, eerie humming noises that I've never heard before. The heater is working, totally operational, heating the pool, but as you could hear, it is making somewhat of a possessed sound. So, my pool guy looked at it last year when it was doing this, and he said that he felt that maybe it was because there was not enough pressure in the gas line. But I'm not sure that that's actually the case, so just wondering if anybody's had similar experiences. I've seen some videos out there, but I haven't really gotten, I guess, the answer I was looking for. So, anybody who might know, would be greatly appreciated to share what might be the cause of this strange noise. Hope to get some feedback, hope to hear from as many people as I can, try to figure out this problem today. Thanks.